Guys! Keto Donuts. Coming up. I'm supposed to hold it up when I said that.
That was a little scary.
Yeah. I'm excited. I haven't had a donut yet.
From Keto.
Yes, ohketodonut.
O-H.
OH Keto. There are 4 of them. This is the variety pack. There are a variety of them. I think there might be labels. I'm gonna have to look. See. Figure out what's in here. And then it comes in a little package. It has 4 individually wrapped donuts. Low carb donuts, keto donuts. They're pretty small. There's between 1 and 7 carbs, I think, per. We're gonna decode what this all means, and we're gonna try them. And we're gonna make the kids try them because that's what we do. We poison our children
It's
with
more
food.
fun that way.
Absolutely. We shouldn't be able to keep this all ourselves. Of course, if they're good, we're gonna shoo them away and keep them for ourselves. All right, guys. So we're back. First donut here is the brown butter crumble. We got the whole crew here ready to test this out. This has 1 net carb, 131 calories, 12 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein, and we're all gonna just kind of grab a bite here, and we're all gonna give it a test. And then we're gonna tell you how delicious it is, or not.
Oh my god, I'm failing.
Gentle. Well, somebody kind of likes it. All right.
It's not bad.
Mason thumbs down.
Mason says thumbs down. Why, Mason? Okay, stop
like-
eating.
Sour.
It's sour.
You get sour?
It is sour.
I don't get sour.
I think it's supposed to be a little sour, though. I think that's kind of what the
Kind of
brown
tastes
butter
like a
is.
sour cream.
It
You
is.
guys all eat like the sour candy and shit.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
don't want that to be sour. That has
It wants
like
us to be savory-ish or
Yeah.
sweet, but
Sweet,
not.
savory-ish.
it
I don't
starts
like
with
sour.
sweet.
So it does
and
kind of taste like a sour cream donut a little bit.
Yeah.
You don't like sour cream donuts,
No.
so it's probably not a surprise that you don't like it.
I love
Do
sour
you like
cream
it?
donuts.
I like it. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Not really so much.
Not a huge fan, but like I tolerate it if there's no other options.
Right.
At least for warm food.
Yeah. So when it's warm,
I'd rather eat this than cereal, but
you'd rather eat this than cereal. Really? You don't really like cereal, though, right?
Would you rather eat this than Pop-Tarts?
I'm also on the
Would you
fence.
rather eat this than Pop-Tarts?
No.
No. All right.
See, but
And Morgan
Pop-Tarts-
obviously really likes it. So Morgan, tell us why you really like it.
Because it tastes like a sour cream donut.
Tastes like a sour cream donut. So if you like sour cream donuts, we think you will probably like the brown butter crumble. So this is number 2. This is the glazed almond and coconut flour,
Ooh.
163 calories, 15 grams of fat. Total carbs is 7, net carbs is 1, and protein is 2.
When you say
It does-
coconut, my stomach
I kind of feel like
churns.
I'm cutting a sponge.
Yeah, it does. Well, it's a donut. It does have. Morgan doesn't have any problem with these taste
No.
tests at all, but
I know, it's sugar.
it does. All these serving sizes are 1 donut. So, all right, everybody.
No. I want this one.
And it does include the glaze that's also on there.
Well, Odie got a
This
piece of
stuff
it.
looks like the medicine I took.
No. The glaze is the best part.
Why is it crunchy?
I think that's the glaze.
That. It's not the glaze, it's inside.
Is it?
Uh-uh.
I was gonna say something there, but
Stacy just likes
laughed.
this kind. Mason?
tastes like cake. I don't like cake.
It's like Pop Rocks are in your mouth while you bite
True.
into it.
Pop rocks in your mouth when you bite into it.
Yeah, because they're like.
So you don't like it either. Now Adam eats
I'm
a
not
lot
saying I don't like it.
So you actually think it's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
You'd eat this. Would you prefer this over the previous one?
I don't know. The popping thing is a big issue for me.
It is kind of strange that.
It shouldn't be crunchy. Unless it has like cereal in it or something.
Oh, can't have cereal.
I know, but I'm just saying they have like those things that have like.
So the
fruity
glazed
pebbles in it.
donut, it's got some texture issues maybe,
And
but
it kind of tasted a little eggy.
It just tastes a little eggy.
No, it
I didn't
looked
get
eggy,
too much egg.
but it didn't.
You got too much? You didn't get too much egg?
I didn't get too much egg.
Okay. What about you? Getting egg?
It had the warmth of an egg.
The warmth of an egg.
Yeah, that.
All these,
You know,
probably
because you warmed them up because they're supposed to be better when they're warm.
Yeah, I don't like that though.
Okay. Interesting. So you want us to cut your piece off before we warm it up?
I'm just saying that I don't want my food to be taking warmth away from me,
Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying you absorb warmth.
stealing my warmth.
Stealing your warmth. Okay, Morgan. Why'd you like this one?
Sorry, what did you farted? That smells horrible.
Thought that was you.
No. I like this.
Good thing I got rid of that chip.
I like.
Good thing I got rid of that chip.
Oh my god, she flicked me! I like this one because the glaze is kind of sugary sweet, but it's not like overdoing it. And despite what Mom says about it tasting eggy, it doesn't. It just kind of is off-putting when you look at it because it looks like it's gonna taste eggy.
It's very. They're really small, which is good. But that one looked kind of like. Kind of looked like one of those dinner rolls we made with a bagel pan. This is the birthday cake one.
And
Comes
it
with
cuts
2
just
toppings.
like the other one did.
Cuts just like the other one, although the macros are totally different. Let me tell you what those are.
Oh, sorry, somebody's stuff is sliding off.
Oh, I hate it when my stuff slides off. Okay, so this one has 196 calories, 10 grams of fat, 16 carbs total. Net carb is 1, protein is 2. I'm sensing a lot of sugar alcohol.
Oh my god.
Adam does not seem like he likes it very much.
I want some donut with my frosting.
I want more frosting.
They're insane.
She's gonna have a stomachache again tomorrow.
I don't care.
Don't feed your kids sugar alcohol in this quantity.
You're still going to school.
I don't care.
Very sweet. Not terrible though.
No, it's not bad.
I eat it. But
It has a. There's a weird aftertaste. Seriously?
we have a little piggy that lives in the house.
There's an aftertaste.
There is.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
It's not good.
I don't know.
It's not really not good.
What'd you think, Mason?
It made me twitch a little bit.
Like
Wait.
those ribs did.
Like the ribs,
No,
the
not
salt
like
ribs.
not like
The
the ribs. More like a
That didn't even make you twitch. That made you shook.
Tell it to the camera.
it was like a ooh.
Ooh,
That didn't taste very good.
ooh.
But when I continued eating it, then it was okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's a lot of the sugar alcohols.
There's a
have to do that.
very, very
It just made me twitch.
strong aftertaste.
Yeah.
And I'm not digging it.
You had a pretty good face as you walked off camera.
Which-
What was that?
That was me essentially having cream slide to the back of my mouth. As
You
the
got.
most of the donut stayed up front.
Sounds like Adam.
So I got
Adam got.
creamed as the donut.
Adam got frosted.
What are you
cream.
laughing at, Stacy? You want to explain to the
This is a
camera?
family channel. Stacy has a very perverted mind. Morgan, what do you think of it? Of the 3 you've loved so far, which one do you like the best?
Sour cream one.
So the first one. First one's best. So this is the one I'm most interested in. This is the last one we're gonna try.
It also has the most net carbs.
It also has the most. Oh, son of a gun, that sucks. All right, cinnamon swirl coffee cake,
Zoinks.
made with almond flour, coconut flour, 138 calories, 12
Smells
total
good.
fat, 17 total carb, 2 net carbs, 4 grams of protein.
Get out of
Shark-
the way before you get forked.
Shark attack.
No!
You gotta be gentle, gentle. These are very delicate pieces.
I thought you were going for another one.
She's gonna go for another one in a minute.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, she doesn't like this one.
You don't like it?
No.
Now I'm just disappointed.
Yeah. I don't like it.
First one was the best.
I like this one the most.
With him. I like this one.
I don't even want to finish it.
It's not bad.
It tastes like a pumpkin spice latte.
It does have a little
It's
pumpkin
nasty.
spice to it.
It does, yeah.
Like I don't really get just cinnamon. I get like the whole blend of pumpkin spice flavors there. There's like nutmeg. There's gotta be nutmeg in it or something.
It's not
Yeah.
really sweet though, which is I think why I like it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
more
I also
savory I
like
think
it.
than anything, which is interesting because I expected it to be more sweet. Go ahead, man.
I'd eat that in small quantities.
You actually like that one.
I did like that one.
Of all the ones you've liked, so these two guys, the savory guys, prefer the cinnamon swirl coffee cake. Morgan and I prefer the sour cream, which is the brown butter
I'm
crumble.
not a fan of coffee cake anyway.
Yeah.
I like coffee
What
cake.
was your favorite one? Of the
I don't
birthday
know.
cake?
No,
You didn't like
no,
any
no,
of
no.
them.
Was it the first one then?
What was the second one?
The second one was the glazed one.
Oh no. Yeah, the first one.
So the three of us prefer the brown
We're
brown
the
butter.
smart ones.
Yeah. And these guys.
Excuse me?
I think this one's the second. I mean, I don't think there's a big gap between there,
Mason
but
alone is worth
I would
two of
actually
you.
eat 10 of the birthday cake ones over that.
yeah.
I didn't even wanna-
I didn't think that was bad.
I didn't want to finish chewing that one.
I definitely didn't get, like I said, I didn't get the cinnamon swirl coffee cake. But, so, Keto Gourmet Donuts, their information on the website will be linked below in our channel. They do give you a nice little note, although Stacy did find some spelling errors.
It wasn't spelling, it was
Oh,
grammatical.
grammatical issues. But it does come with the making your own donuts. Keep them warm, cold, room temperature. If you're not going to eat them all, then make sure you put them in the refrigerator. Basically is what it says. And there's a nice little thing at the bottom. If you tag them in a social media event, you can get 10% off your next order. So we'll tag them. And maybe we'll see if we can get a discount maybe for the channel or something.
They have some chocolate ones that I would like to try.
Yeah, they do have a lot more than just the 4 we tried. This is
There's
like in a
19
sampler pack.
19 flavors on their website.
Yeah, there's quite a few.
But they're currently sold
I
out.
want to read
Yes.
them.
So
We're just,
we
like, on
got
my
these. This is
Instagram.
the sample pack, and maybe we'll try some other ones. Let us know what you think. She can't shut up. It's impossible. Constant. Jabba, 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 jabba. So, everybody say bye. Thanks for watching,
Au
guys.
revoir.
Thanks for subscribing.
I forgot how to say goodbye in Korean. Give me a
Don't. Just.
Well, it
Why?
Annyeong.
Stay keto.
Wale!
Meow.
Oh, there you go. So this is a brown butter I just said brown butter cum. All right, so our first keto donut is, what flavor is this?
Flavor.
Cinnamon coffee cake?
No. It's,
No, that's this one.
Why is that?
Stop focusing on that, focus on this.
It's the... Pull up your phone.
So,
Why are you saying bye to one person?
Don't
I
forget
don't know
to
how to
stay
say it.
keto.
Wallet.
Wallet? I.
Walate?